Let's create project. Let's name it multiple DB. Then let's add interface class. Let's name it DB adapter. Then let's add method public void get dbcon. Then let's add another method public void add person. Then let's add a person class. Then let's add instance variable private long id. Then private string first name. Then private string surname. Then the port is string email. Private string gender. Refactor encapsulate field select all refactor. Let's add db derby. Then implements db adapter. Then implements abstract methods. Then let's import the connection static connection. Then con. Then import. Then let's put try catch. Let's get if this get con. Let's encapsulate first. Get con equal null or this get con is close. String URL. So the URL of derby here gdbc derby. Then localhost. Then the port is 1527. Then database name. So let's create the database first. So let's proceed to my documents. Then open the derby. Then start the server because we are using a network. And let's put the database here in this directory. Let's name the database person. It's error. Okay, so let's create database first. So let's okay. Let's add database for find the Java DB. Connect using okay. Localhost. Then the port is 1527. Then username is Aldarin. Then copy. Then paste as a password. Then paste the location. Copy. Then paste to the connection. Okay, then add person semicolon. Then create equals true. It will create database. Then finish. So we create the database person. So let's copy the directory. Let's delete this one. Then open, then copy the directory, include the database person, then paste. There's no error. The next is let's put class for the driver. Let's put the driver of the derby org dot apache dot derby. GDBC that client client derby semicolon. Then let's put the value for the connection. Then get connection. Then let's select this three parameter. Then let's put um, username Aldrin. Then the password is Aldrin. Next is let's add method public void no static. This is static. Then void close connection. Then try catch exception. Then print stack trace. Get dbcon no con dot close. Okay. So let's create this statement in the add person. So let's add query here. So let's add for loop I equals 1, then I less than 1000, then I plus plus, it's error. So I forgot. So that is not include the wrapper classes. String, then first name. So let's put the value first. Green. So we test the speed of the DBMS between MySQL and Derby. aldrin1987 @gmail.com. The next is let's add a gender equal male, no, male. The next is let's add prepared no connection. Then let's add prepared statement. Then ps. Then get con. Then create prepared statement. Then let's insert here the data insert. No, there's no table yet, so let's create table. So let's execute command, then create table person, then parentheses, then ID in primary key, then first name varchar 50, surname varchar 50, then email varchar 50, gender varchar 50. Okay, copy this query, execute. Then there's a created table person, copy, then proceed to workbench, then create a schema, let's name it person, then apply, okay, apply, then use person, then execute the command, then delete, then let's paste the query, creating person, okay. Person, that person, because database is person, then the table is person. So execute, refresh. So we are done creating person table. So let's proceed to NetBeans. Then insert in Aldrin dot. Let's change it. Insert into person Aldrin person. Then ID, first name, surname, then email, gender, then values, then parenthesis, 5 question mark, because it has 5 parameter fields. So let's add here prepare the statement set long with the okay, column 1, then set string column 2 as first name, then ps set string column 3 is surname, then ps and set string, then 4 is email, then ps the column 5 is gender, then ps execute, then ps close, then close connection, then let's add long start time equals system dot nano time. So this is the time when we start, then end long end time equals system dot nano time. Then let's put double time seconds equals parenthesis end time minus start time. Then divide 1 billion. Let's put underscore means that is comma. It is this is acceptable. Divide because that is differences from the nanotime milliseconds. The system. Okay, then let's put there be execution time, then plus seconds, then seconds. Then system is there be ID. No, this added ID I. We are done. So let's copy the code. Copy. Then let's add class for the MySQL. MySQL DB. Oh no, DB is MySQL. Let's refactor rename. CL. Then let's implement DB adapter. Then paste the code. Okay. Then let's delete. Then let's encapsulate the connection. Encapsulate fields refactor. Okay. Then let's change the URL. Change change the okay. Then change the URL of the database. MySQL, then localhost, then the port is 3306, then the database is person. Then let's change the driver com dot mysql dot cj, then gdbc, then dot driver. Then let's name the root for the username of MySQL. Let's find the error. So let's proceed to main class. Then let's put a thread, new thread. There's no parameter for a class that we need to let's leave as comment. Then let's add static class, because that is a static class, then database connector, then implements runnable class, runnable interface, I mean. So let's implement the methods. Let's put here constructor for the database connector. Let's put database DB adapter, then the constructor, the database connector, then DB adapter. This then adapter equals DB adapter equals. Then let's put multiple even no. This is DB adapter. Then that add person. Then let's add threads, new DB connector. Then our parameter is new DB derby. Then let's copy the thread. Then let's put the MySQL for the thread 2. Then thread 2 set start. Then thread 1 start. So let's try to run. I'm so excited of this one. There's a lot of error. So class not found exception of this MySQL. So let's add um, connector MySQL in this one. Then copy the dependency, proceed to your POM. Then let's type dependencies. Inside the dependencies, we need to paste the connector MySQL dependency. The next is derby. Let's copy this one, derby, then this one, copy. Then put one, because there's a lot of dependency in the derby. Then this one, copy, client, derby client, then paste, then put number 2. Then let's this one client. No, we are done this one derby tools. Then copy, paste 3. Then I think this is 4. Derby client, derby. Then next is derby net. Okay, copy and paste. Then let's put number 4. So let's try to run the project. Let's see the output. There's error. So class found, client derby is not found. Then the other error. Let's see. Let's go to derby. What is the error of this one? Okay, so the Java derby client. There's no class not found. So this one. Let's oh no, driver. There is no client derby. Okay, client driver for the MySQL is there's no wrong with this one. Then let's try other error. Oh, there's no database name Aldrin for the MySQL. Oh, person, person. There's no error with this. So this one, there's no, okay, this is a database person and that table person. So let's try to run. Okay, there's a lot of Derby. Okay, so the execution time of MySQL is 15 seconds. Then the execution time of the Derby is 7 seconds. So almost twice the difference. So because the Derby is direct to the GBM, so that is more faster than MySQL. So let's add class here, public void retrieve data. Then let's implement this method. Then let's put try, then exception. Let's put a query. Then let's put select asterisk from Aldrin dot person database table. Then where ID equal mm, let's put double quote. Then plus. Okay, so let's add looping. Let's add for and how long I is than 1001 I plus plus. Then let's put I. Then let's no, there's no order. So let's add statement. If t equals get con create statement. The next is the result set. So let's import the statement. Result set. Import the result set. Rs equals statement dot execute query. Then while rs dot next person person set. Oh, um, maybe I'm wrong with this one. So let's put output. Okay, so let's put a person. Okay, ID rs then get long then ID. There be with person ID plus I. No, I know. Okay, that's get ID. Then rs close. Then our statement close. Then close connection. Let's copy this one and paste to the MySQL DB, DB MySQL. Then let's name it person.person. Then let's rename MySQL. Then let's leave a comment and DB adapter that retrieve data. Run. There's error with the derby. So semicolon. So let's remove this one. Semicolon. Then run. Okay, this query. Then let's see the execution time of ano. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. So see you next video, and I will give you a project three software project. Bye.